You called me on the phone. Now you and I are one. Let's have a little bit of fun.